There's this idea going around that if you use AI, you're automatically building a tech company. Like suddenly you're the next Elon Musk because you're asking ChatGPT questions. But here's the truth. Most people don't want to build a tech company. They just want freedom, more time, more options, a business that actually pays them consistently. So let's talk about what that looks like. Because right now, there's a way to leverage AI to build something real, not theoretical, not a pitch deck, a real business with real systems that brings in real income. And no, it's not about inventing the next big platform or raising startup money. It's about using tools that already exist and putting them together in a way that works for you, not against you. You don't need to build the next Facebook. You don't need to hire developers. And you definitely don't need to start from scratch. The smartest people I know are doing something different. They're using AI to automate what already works. They're not coding, they're connecting offers with people who need them, connecting systems that talk to each other, connecting tools that take what used to be 10 hours of work and reduce it to 30 minutes. It's not sexy, it's not flashy, but it's real, and it pays. See, AI isn't the business, it's the leverage. It's what lets you do what used to take a team. With just you and a laptop, you can build a digital agency. You can launch a done-for-you service. You can sell offers that solve real problems and let AI handle the follow-up, the content, the delivery, the back-end. Some people call it automation, others call it modern entrepreneurship. I just call it smart, and what's crazy is it's not complicated. There are plug-and-play frameworks already out there. You don't have to figure this out alone. You can borrow systems. You can duplicate processes that already work, then customize them for your own niche, audience, or product. It's not about hype. It's not about getting rich overnight. It is about waking up knowing something is running and working whether you online or not. No more trading hours for dollars. No more one client away stress. No more building from scratch every month. Just consistency, growth, simplicity, and yes, income. I'm not saying this is for everyone. If you're really looking for the next big launch or the next trend to chase, this probably isn't it. But if you're the type of person who wants to build something stable, something scalable, something that pays you without needing to hustle 24/7, then maybe, just maybe, you should take a closer look at what this system can do. The tools are already built, the steps are already mapped out, and the link, it's somewhere near this video. If it clicks for you, great. If not, no worries. But the people who act on this now, they're the ones who'll look back in 6 months and realize this wasn't about building a tech company. It was about building freedom. You decide.